welcome to Mindful Coins and Wellness. Today, we are going to learn about investment. I am going to tell you the do's and don'ts you need to know before embarking into any investment journey. You will learn why you should invest, understand some terms about investment like compound interest, stocks, bonds, mutual funds, etc. Then I will show you how to invest, as well as the mistakes to avoid while investing. Remember, this is not a financial advice. It is for education purpose only. Now let's start with investment. Why do people invest? People invest to grow their money, right? Yes, with the aid of compound interest, your money increases while you sleep. Nice! Now let's talk more about how your money increases through investment and how to calculate your returns. Think of it like this. You invest $100 at a 10% annual return. After the first year, you have $110. The next year, you earn 10% on $110 and so on. It keeps growing and growing. I know you are eager to invest your funds somewhere, but don't know where to invest, right? Before you start your investment, first you need to know the types. There are several types of investment. 1. Stocks, buying shares of a company. 2. Bonds, lending money to a company or government. 3. Mutual funds, pooling money with other investors to buy a diversified portfolio. 4. ETFs, exchange-traded funds, similar to mutual funds but traded on stock exchanges. 5. Real estate, investing in property. 6. Cryptocurrencies, cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum. We have video sections that carefully explain each type of investments above. Whatever the type of investment you want to embark on, I have some tips for you that can help you invest safely. But know this, investment is risky, so keep that in mind. Investing can be rewarding, but there are common mistakes to avoid. 1. Trying to time the market. It's better to stay invested long-term than to try to predict market movements. 2. Lack of diversification. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. 3. Ignoring fees. High fees can eat into your returns. Look for low-cost options. 4. Emotional investing. Don't let fear or greed drive your decisions. Staying informed and patient can help you avoid these pitfalls. Remember, investing is a marathon, not a sprint. Stay focused on your long-term goals. Want to avoid losing money? Here are the top investment mistakes to steer clear of. Ready to start investing? Here are some simple steps. 1. Set your goals. What are you investing for? Retirement, a car, education? 2. Choose an investment account. Options include brokerage accounts, retirement accounts, and crypto exchanges. 3. Research investments. Understand what you're investing in. 4. Start small. You don't need a lot of money to begin. Even $50 a month can grow significantly over time. 5. Monitor and adjust. Keep an eye on your investments and make changes as needed. Getting started can feel overwhelming, but remember, every expert was once a beginner. Pro tip. Consider using robo-advisors for automated low-cost investing based on your goals and risk tolerance. Think you need a lot of money to invest? Think again. Here's how to start small and grow big. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss an episode. Follow us on social media for daily tips and inspiration. Until next time, remember, financial abundance and holistic well-being are within your reach. Stay mindful and stay well.